Congress workers started a cleansing ritual with cow urine at the premises of Vidhan Soudh today. This comes right after Siddaramaiah took an oath as the Chief Minister of Karnataka on Saturday. Cleansing ritual was alleging that BJP party during its tenure had polluted the assembly with its corruption. Salim Ahmed, the working president of KPCC, said he has no comment on the cleansing ritual performed at Vidhan Soudh premises. However, he said people of Karnataka have showed exit door on the 40% commission government. And Congress party will go through with the 5 guarantees promised in the Congress manifesto in the first cabinet meeting.
Now, I don't know about that one, but anyway, in general, if you say, the people of Karnataka has shown the door to the corrupt 40% government in Karnataka. A new era has started. Congress government has been formed now. The first cabinet meeting, what we promised, 5 guarantees, we have issued orders. In the budget, it will be placed.
Congress MLA H.K. Patil said he has come to discharge constitutional obligation, take oath and perform the required pujas. He made no comments on the cleansing ritual with cow urine performed at the Vidhan Soudh premises.
I don't want to say anything. I have come for this purpose, pious purpose. I would like to retain that, and I will take oath, and while coming back I may react to something.
One more thing.
See, the cleansing of the Vidhan Soudh should have been done in the Siddaramaiah's last term only after he took the office. Maybe we should have done it. This is a place of truth. We don't need anyone to come and cleanse the whole thing. No one needs it. This is a place of truth. Everyone takes an oath. Even Congress, BJP or whoever takes an oath and works here. That's just a gimmick. Welcome thing is, they are using Gomutra. The Congress people have started. Now they have, Mr. Siddaramaiah only during his campaigning, he used to wear tilak from his nose till his forehead. I mean, till the end of his hairline, I would say. This is the